Hey, good morning. We're out here on Guest Road and we've got a hole right here and it's supposed to be repaired. It went all the way through the decking, so the plywood needs to be replaced as well. So right now we're gonna go ahead and try to put a cover on this until we can get back out here with some plywood, because we got some rain in the forecast. So let's go ahead and take a look at here and see if we can get these shingles to come up. All right, so right now trying to unseal these shingles. All right, so right now we've already starting to get a tear. Just trying to carefully get this putty knife under here. So we got to unseal this shingle to get down there to the hole. All right, so we're trying to be careful with it. Going slow, not raising the shingle up very much at all. All right, starting to get another little tear right here. As you can see, we're not lifting the shingles up very high. It's already starting to cause damage. So we know if we got to replace that sheathing, we're gonna have to tear up. Oh, see, it ripped it right there. Yeah, barely. All right. Easing over there. Trying to get this to come up. Now, see, it ripped it right there too. So, as we can see, these shingles aren't very repairable. So when it comes to replacing that sheathing, we're going to tear up a bigger area with these shingles around it. So, all right, thank you for watching.